What? Hey, it's Dave with Thirsties here to showcase our new Autumn Blaze and Burnt Orange, the print and a solid coming out that just come out tomorrow at your favorite retailer. Before I get going, I just want to mention we are going to do a little giveaway here. So just to win, comment on what your favorite print is that we've done this year, or even your favorite, God, I'm having a hard time talking, or your favorite solid. So favorite print or favorite solid in the comments, you'll be entered to win a Autumn Blaze clutch bag, which I'll show you in just a second what that looks like. So let's go ahead and give you a look at these. This is our new print Autumn Blaze and our new solid Burnt Orange. For those of you that are UT fans, University of Texas, this is that's pretty close to spot on of what that color is there. So I'll give you a closer look at this. Here's the backside of Autumn Blaze. Really nice watercolor print with a lot of purples and browns, oranges and yellows. It's really turned out really pretty. I'll go ahead and give you a look at what it looks like on a pocket diaper. So you got the very similar to what it is on the dual wrap, obviously with your matching trim and matching snaps. The trim is just a little bit different, so you can see this on the dual wrap, this elastic here. Couldn't quite get it to be matched up with the rest of the burnt orange, but it still looks quite nice together and ties in with the rest of the diaper. And here's the burnt orange in an all-in-one. Unfortunately, all of your wonderful retailers bought us out of the all-in-one and the Autumn Blaze. So here it is in the burnt orange all-in-one. And then speaking of what you can enter to win today, here's the clutch bag in Autumn Blaze. What it looks like in the wet dry bag. And the mini wet bag. All of these are really pretty. They look awesome. And hopefully this video showcasing how vibrant and these colors are. It's really nice looking. So some of you wanted to see a comparison. Some wanted to see a modern Jurassic and just what the difference in the orange. That orange in that dinosaur is really light compared to this dark burnt orange, but that should give you a good look at what that looks like. I'll also show you that next to the fallen leaves. You can see some of this orange in here. It's maybe a little bit similar to that, but still just a bit off. And then some of you also wanted to see it with mango. Mango is more of a sherbet color and almost has like when you put it up to this more of a pinkish hue almost to it, but not quite the same. Give you a little close up there of the leaf. And then we'll compare it just to the burnt orange by itself. And then lastly, a lot of you wanted to see it just kind of with all of our jewel tones here. You got it with Blue Bonnet, Lagoon, Sugar Plum. I mean, that's a nice lineup. I hope some of you guys have that. It looks really cool together. It looks nice. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's a look at it. One more time. Here's our burnt orange and our Autumn Blaze. Johnny, any questions in there? All right, and one more reminder on the giveaway. Just comment on your favorite print, favorite solid we've done in 2019. You'll get entered to win this nice little clutch bag.
Show the Autumn Blaze with the daffodil behind you.
Oh, someone want to see Autumn Blaze with daffodil. Yeah, we can do that. And that actually is a pretty good comparison. I'll let Johnny get up here a little closer. That part of that yellow in the leaf is really spot on with that daffodil. So very, very good question and good comparison. I'm sorry I didn't catch that earlier. But yeah, that is it. And hopefully next time I'm on here, maybe we'll update this with some of the newer prints we've done this year. It'd be fun. Thanks for joining us, guys. Have a great day.